Learn English 5 Weather. Speaking. In this section, you learn 4 different ways of asking about weather. Repeat reading them until you learn them. What is the weather like in your country? It is hot. What is it like out? It is windy. What is the weather today? It is cloudy. What is the weather tomorrow? It is rainy. Structure. In this part, you learn the structure and the grammar of the sentences you use to talk about weather. We use the words hot, sunny, cloudy, windy, rainy, snowy, foggy, and other words to talk about weather. Pay attention that weather words are adjectives, and we use to be verbs am, is, are to talk about adjectives and nouns. And pay attention that in this section we study the present form of to be verbs. Now the affirmative form of to be verbs. I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, you are, they are. Remember that we just use the pronoun it to talk about weather. For example, it is hot, it is sunny, it is cloudy, it is windy, it is rainy, it is snowy, and it is foggy. In this section, you learn how to talk about weather in a negative form. To make a negative sentence about weather, you just add not to is, because when we make negative sentences by using to be verbs, we just add not to am, is, are. And remember that we use the present form of to be verbs in this section. Now, the negative form. I am not. You are not. He is not. She is not. It is not. We are not. You are not. They are not. The examples. It is not hot. It is not sunny. It is not cloudy. It is not windy. It is not rainy. It is not snowy. And it is not foggy. Remember that we use pronoun it to talk about weather. Now, how to ask about the weather. To make question sentences using to be verbs am, is, are, we just change the place of am, is, are, and the subject. Like, am I, are you, is he, is she, is it, are we, are you, are they, and the examples. Is it hot? Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? Is it windy? Is it rainy? Is it snowy? Is it foggy? How to answer the questions made by to be verbs. To answer the questions of to be verbs, you just say yes or no, and you put commas, and you change the place of the subject and the to be verb again, and full stop. That's all. For example, am I? Yes, you are. No, you are not. Are you? Yes, I am. No, I am not. Is he? Yes, he is. No, he is not. Is she? Yes, she is. No, she is not. Are we? Yes, we are. No, we are not. Are you? Yes, we are. No, we are not. Are they? Yes, they are. No, they are not. Now, questions about weather and the answers. Is it hot? Yes, it is. No, it is not. Is it sunny? Yes, it is. No, it is not. Is it cloudy? Yes, it is. No, it is not. Is it windy? Yes, it is. No, it is not. Is it rainy? Yes, it is. No, it is not. Is it snowy? Yes, it is. No, it is not. It is the time to practice the grammar. Do the exercises to practice more. Use the internet and follow the examples to answer the questions. Match the weather and the sentence. You can use the internet to find the correct answers. Describe the weather. For example, it is rainy. Ask questions about the weather types. For example, is it rainy? Answer questions about the weather types. For example, is it rainy? Yes, it is. Is it cloudy? No, it is not. Complete the sentence with the correct weather word. For example, it is a snowy day. First, write the weather words and then do the weather crossword. Reading comprehension. Read a text about seasons and weather. Read it carefully and use the dictionary as needed. Understand the text and answer the questions about the text. Seasons and weather. In spring, it rains a lot. The trees and plants turn green and flowers bloom. There are sometimes big storms with lots of thunder and lightning. It is fun to walk outside in the rain. You have to wear a raincoat and take your umbrella to stay dry. In summer, it is hot. The sun shines and the sky is blue. It is fun to go swimming and play outside with friends. In fall, it is cool. Clouds cover the sky some days, and it is often very windy. The leaves on the trees start turning red, yellow, and brown. In winter, it is cold. It snows and it is always cloudy. It is fun to play in the snow and build snowmen. You have to wear boots and gloves to stay warm. Answer the questions about the reading text. 1. How is the weather in spring? 2. How is the weather in summer? 3. How is the weather in fall? 4. How is the weather in winter? Now start writing about the weather by using to-be verbs and the words for weather. Write 5 affirmative sentences like the example. Example, it is snowy. Write 5 negative sentences like the example. For example, it is not sunny. Write 5 question sentences like the example. For example, is it rainy? Homework. 1. Look up the meaning of new words in a dictionary. Write the English meaning and an example sentence. 2. Repeat the words until you memorize them. 3. Make a sentence for each word. Listening. Listen to the conversation several times and write down what you hear. Don't write all the words. Just write the words you can write, especially the weather words.
Good afternoon. I'm Maria from Chicago News. Let's look at our weather for today. This morning it was cold and cloudy, but now it's beautiful outside. Right now it's 72 degrees, it's sunny, nice, and warm. Later tonight it will rain and the temperature will go down to 51 degrees. And there's more crazy weather coming this week. Let's look at our 5-day forecast. Tomorrow, Tuesday, it will be sunny and warm, 77 degrees tomorrow. Then on Wednesday, it will snow. The temperature will go down to 31 degrees, a pretty cold day. On Thursday, there will be a big storm. Be careful. It will rain a lot and it will be very windy. The temperature will be about 56 degrees. On Friday, it will be a little windy and a little cloudy. The temperature will be 67 degrees. And on Saturday, it will snow again. The temperature will be 32 degrees. Welcome to the crazy weather in Chicago. Again, I'm Maria from Chicago News. Thanks for watching, and have a good week.